Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-November and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Cancerians. And for a personal reading, you can DM me or message me in my Instagram or Facebook page by the name The Magical Aura. The link for both of my pages are also given in the description box below. So if you want, you can have a reading done by me. Okay? So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. And let's see. Okay. So I'm really getting these energies where, your past energies are the Chariot, the Tower and Nine of Pentacles. So there was a sudden change in your life, all of a sudden. Might be in the month of July or after that only. It is a recent change in your life, and it is more about, when you love to be single, you love to be the way you are. It's a stepping stone towards your success, and this change was not accepted, not expected. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing, a new change. I'm not seeing you with somebody over here in your past energies. You were single, you were enjoying your life, you were like, okay, let's move on. It was really sudden because the Tower is here, so it was unexpected, and it was really good because the Chariot and Nine of Pentacles is showing me that something happened, but you were happy for this change. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have Ten of Pentacles. So this is something regarding with your family, like a new job or a new coming up. When you are like, when you are happy, that is the happy-go-lucky card for me. Ten of Pentacles, it's really good. Your present energies are Seven of Cups, Ace of Pentacles and the Empress. So yes, that growing stage which you were involved, for some time I'm seeing that there was some confusion in your life regarding your work, because this is more not about a love reading over here. It is more giving me a career reading because I'm seeing you single. So that is why. Well, this is your energy, the first card, the Chariot over here. This is your energy, the Cancerian energy. And your present energies are telling me that the growth, the progress in your life, you are moving on with the Ace of Pentacles and the Empress. Yeah. Okay. So this is a very beautiful growing, maturing in your progress, in your time. Somebody might be pregnant over here as well, but really. And before that thing, I'm really getting that feeling of new new journey. That is what I'm seeing. New journey, basically from a lot of options in front of you. This is this is more about the energies where you had a lot of options, but where to go. So this is someone or something, because this is more about someone coming up in your life who has the whole world to give you. Okay, the whole world. This person can give you the love of their life, and that is why the Ten of Pentacles. If you are with this person, because since I'm seeing you single in your past energy and in your present, if this person is a new person or an old as well, it does not matter, because this person is ready to give you his or her whole world to you. Okay, your future energy is Five of Swords, Seven of Swords, Four of Wands and Knight of Cups. Problems, I'm seeing a lot of problems in your future energies, a lot of arguments, a lot of not betrayals, but being sneaky, okay, not telling the truth exactly, but not hiding as well. But this is that energy where one person is like basically not telling everything, okay, hiding something. So not a lot of negative energy, because I'm seeing a marriage card over here. Four of Wands with the Ten of Pentacles. Marriage, celebration, happiness coming up. And these things, see, if you will not see, if you will just run away from these small petty issues, nothing is going to happen the way you want ever, okay? Because this is the person of your life. That is what I'm seeing. I want to clarify some cards. Let's see. Okay, Ten of Pentacles, Three of Wands. If this is an old person, Two of Swords and the Emperor. If this is an old person, this person actually waited for you from a long time, okay? So you were in a place where you were not ready, but this person was always ready. And yes, this person was always ready for you to come back in their life, because they always see, because I have two Empress in this reading. So this is like you both have same energies somewhere, you know, you both are caring, you both are nurturing, you both keep yourself keeping each other motivated and giving a lot of positivity to each other. But the confusion was in someone. I'm not saying that this person has this confusion, I'm seeing that you had some confusion regarding this person or regarding something else. Might be your career as well. So you always wanted to grow in your life, and you never, that is why you were not getting involved in any relationship. Let's see why the Tower is here in the past energies from the Cancerians. Tower, why the Tower is here. Ace of Wands and the World. Okay, so really there was an ending towards something, because the Tower and the World, this is that ending which is not going to happen again, okay? And you really needed this ending for a new beginning to start, because Ace of Wands is a start where you are just thinking for that start, for that new start. And when you have started this thing, whatever this might be, new project, new relationship, because you were getting rid of something bad, something from your past, you wanted to end something from your past. That is why you were not doing anything, you were taking a pause. And all of a sudden, when this thing ended, and this is a new start for a new beginning, this is a new journey of your life. And with the Nine of Pentacles, that independent, that success, okay? So this Nine of Pentacles is very beautiful, very beautiful. Why the Seven of Cups is here, Three of Cups and Queen of Wands. What else do we have? And King of Wands. Okay, interesting. Well, you were, when you were getting involved with someone else, basically not in getting involved, when you were exploring your options, when you were like, let's go, let's see all the options, there was somebody else who was preparing for who were preparing themselves to come towards you. That is why these strong energies, you were always meant to be together, but due to some circumstances you couldn't meet. It was always a bad timing, you would say, but the Queen and King coming together, and Three of Cups. So this new beginning, this is the celebration time now. If you are together with someone, some new person or somebody old as well, this person is something, you know, this person will help you grow, this person will help you do all the things you want to do in your life. This person will never say no to whatever you want to do. Okay, wow. So why do we have Five of Swords and Seven of Swords? Please. Nine of Cups. Okay. Okay. Ten of Cups, Page of Swords, and Five of Pentacles. You know, there is a tension in your or your person's head that something, no matter how much happy we are, no matter how much happy we will live, we will always have to fight for people around us. Okay, we always have to, that tension, that being alone, that being sneaky will always be there, and that is why you are feeling that kind of loneliness. And this is the feeling of, you know, not getting satisfied. The more you will not talk to each other, the more you will not discuss the problems. No matter how much you love each other, you have to discuss problems regarding parents, regarding your mates, regarding the people around you or your person. There will always be problems, always be tensions, always. Okay, so you have to be satisfied with whatever you have. That is the advice. Be content, be satisfied, show gratitude towards God, towards everything you have, and you will actually try. If you are moving on with this thing, it will always help you. Because at the end, because we say all is well that ends well, with the Four of Wands and the Knight of Cups, I'm getting that, you know, love is in your side, but it's you only who are not in your side. Okay, so what signs we have? Capricorn, Libra, Taurus, Cancer, Sagittarius, Capricorn again, Virgo, Aries, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus again, Virgo, Capricorn, yeah, and what else? Yeah, that's all. And Pisces again. Okay, so that is all from my side, my concerns. I hope it helped you. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.